Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Sierra BWN 10-1-0. This is an SDW Track Wheel Assembly, and I have one removed here from the packaging. A little closer look here. This video will serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Let's take some basic dimensional properties of the unit. The outside diameter .9, right on the nose, 1.9 diameter. The diameter at the valley of the groove that's cut in the wheel, 1.677. The thickness of the wheel, 0.881. Yep. Then you have, obviously it's threaded stud and the nut that's on here. Just an idea of the projection of that from the base of the wheel. It's about 0.615. The outside diameter of these threads, 0.361. Okay. This is used on the SDW style. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Sierra BWN products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Sierra BWN 10-1-0, SDW Track Wheel Assembly, or any other Sierra BWN product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.